Hey everybody, this is Aaron again from Back Alley Creations. Look, we just did a quick video showing some applications for these new Easy Clips from our Easy line, but I wanted to show some more details of the bracket up close so you could understand exactly how they were made and a couple of different ways that you can use them for mounting purposes. So these are two different sizes that we carry. One's about a 1/4 inch, one's about a 1/2 inch. We'll probably label these as small and large. They're made out of spring steel, so they do have some rigidity to them, but they also rebound very well. So if you look close up, there's two different grooves. The groove at the bottom will allow you to mount them on the inside. The second groove towards the top will allow you to mount them on the outside of the wire form. So for instance, we'll take the small here on Star Wars. You can mount this on the outside very easily, but say that you had a really wide wire form and you wanted to mount it on the inside. Both ways work great. This is just a DIY mod, so you can take toys, different things that Matt creates or other mod makers make, and easily put them on your game. So if you need any more information, contact Matt at backalleycreations.com. Make your order at backalleycreations.com or cointaker.com. And thank y'all for watching.